Their music's fantastic.
80s.
They were playing it quieter inside.
Playing what?
They were playing it quieter inside.
I'm getting Apple Watch fever right now.
Hmm?
So I'm getting Apple Watch fever right now. I'm getting Apple Watch. I was up by the porch. Must be better than the kids up
Well, you're 3 hours of sleep, probably.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking maybe I won't go running, but maybe a nap will be in order. I go elliptical in the gym now.
You go ellipticaling?
I run elliptical in the gym.
Yeah.
It's taking no function. This isn't the normal way I do this.
What's the normal way?
I have a big roll of tape with me and I tape the top with tape instead.
Ah.
This is just the foreman's way of doing it. Or called improvising because you forgot your tape. And you really don't want to go walk all the way to the car, even though it's just right there.
Yeah.
I've gone too far.
That's fine. When Sarah and I put Dylan's logo up, I think this is how we did it.
I think I found what happened in that because I think we gave you quotes for all the other coaches too.
I think we did too.
We gotta find out if they're gonna do something or not.
The baseball coach wants to do it on their dugout, so it would go on brick.
Oh, that's his job. Well, let's schedule that one for when I'm down here doing work for these guys. It's a special kind of material.
Yeah. Sarah said it had to be applied with heat.
Yeah. Heat gun, a special tool.
There's a weird, yeah.
Yeah, extra piece right there.
Mm.
Let's see how good I can get on this one.
It's gonna be even more off now that you're trying so hard.
Let me try. Well, it's just points of reference you have to find. Let's see. 6 and a little hashtag thingy.
6 and a little hashtag thingy.
6 and a little hashtag thingy.
There you
6
go.
and a half and a hashtag thingy. 6 and a half and an eighth. 6 and a half and an eighth. Let's see if side to side is good. Look at that. 6 exactly.
Oh,
But this side won't be.
at all.
5 and a quarter exactly.
So you gotta move it a quarter of an inch.
That's weird though.
Come on,
Yeah, I guess you're right. It looks optically on though. Maybe it's because it's angled.
maybe.
Okay, I got the top and bottom good. I'm happy with that. Good.
Do you have to do one on this door too?
No.
6.5. 5.5.
Weird.
You're just mad because you were wrong.
Something's going on here. Well, orders.
Uh-oh.
8 inch, I'll take that. I'll take that. That's perfectly fine for me. Go 6.5.
Uh-oh.
Just wrapping one in the mailbox. We're done. Oh, and scraping the window. We'll scrape that. We'll drive around and scrape that one.
We'll drive around to scrape that one.
Or what I want to eat for dinner.
Aren't you and Sarah going?
Mansion Brothers?
Ooh. You could do stacked, which would just be another
Oh, that's what she-
burger.
That's what she said, stacked.
Stacked is very good.
She was down to invite you too.
Oh, she was?
Yes.
How kind of her.
Told us so.
Aw, thank you.
Now whether she actually does, I don't know.
Well, she hadn't mentioned anything about dinner to me. She said you guys were going to breakfast tomorrow.
Yeah, well, I came up with dinner because I realized I wasn't going to be out here till like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, till 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
I figured, once I realized that you'd be back by like 4 or 5, I was like, well, what's the point in? I mean, I might go to breakfast too. I don't know. Depends on what she wants to do.
Yeah.
I would go to both since I'm not here every day.
Right. I mean, either way, she has to eat breakfast tomorrow because it's her long day. She's got like a million classes in a row and doesn't get a lunch
Get up
break.
early.